What's up, crew? Today, we will be discussing how to calculate the math behind hitting 20K per month inside your agency. So first, I just want to talk about why it's critical to do the math to determine how many sales you need. We can't just hope to generate more revenue if we don't have a clear path to getting there. You need to calculate the exact number of appointments, calls, and leads required based on your offer price point and current conversion rates. Let's jump over here and let's look at an example. Say your goal is $20,000 in new monthly revenue. Your program price point is $5K. Based on past data, your conversion rate from leads to calls is 50%, calls to strategy sessions is 30%, and strategy sessions to new clients is 25%. In order to generate $20,000 per month at the 5K price point that we mentioned, you need to get 4 new clients each month. To get 4 new clients, you need 16 strategy sessions, and to get 16 strategy sessions, you'll need about 53 triage calls. Therefore, to hit your $20,000 monthly revenue goal at the 5K price point, you need approximately 100 leads per month, 106 to be a little bit more exact. Now, if you want to take it a step beyond this example and go over your exact numbers, we do have our revenue calculator linked out inside the doc, okay, which you are able to get access to here as well. And I would encourage you to plug in the exact numbers that you guys are hitting according to your sales tracking data. Now, if you want some help going over these numbers and making sure that you are plugging everything in correctly and that you're thinking about the strategy and approach the right way, then you can also book a free consultation with our team and we will help you out. So, what are our key takeaways here? I'd say there are several points here that will be good for you to keep in mind, but most important priorities should be to precisely calculate the sales math to determine the number of leads, calls, and clients you need to hit your revenue goals. By doing so, you can use this data to set accurate KPIs based on your growth goals and make adjustments to your overall marketing and sales approach in order to hit those goals more effectively. That's it for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, again, feel free to book a complimentary consultation call where we can go over some of the strategy for you, a little bit more hands-on, and make sure we're pointing you in the right direction. I look forward to talking soon. See you next time.